Hello my YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle, and today I'm taking you with me at my local Dollarama, and I find really tons of new stuff. It's at the the DIY and design aisle. They have a peel and stickers. Really nice addition if you have a limited budget and you want to upgrade your kitchen or laundry look. I think this is the best way to go, and you can peel off, and then even for the renters. So I really love to share the what's new at the Dollarama. Like, I find this keys board, and it's like $4.75. Really cute. You can have your names, and then the keys looks like the hotel cute at the entrance. These B signs, I think it was $2, and they have a tons of stuff for the DIYs, and really nice, the tie bags for the curtains, because usually it's very expensive. They always have a really nice decals for the mud room, for the laundry room. I already have for my mud room. I'm going to show you in detail video when I do the makeover, my laundry makeover. Really nice macramas. It was, I think, $2.25, very low price. You can use outdoors. I use one macrama outdoor in my gazebo. And these tie bags, it's usually very expensive, but this was only $4. These wooden beads are really in these days. So I saw this is, I think, the first time I saw these one here, and really nice. Color is really beautiful. I always a big fan of shells. I have the one shell bottle in my laundry. It's always have a the ocean feel. I really like it. They have a tons of colors. So I know you like these kind of content, so I'm gonna share my laundry makeover with you guys. You like my garden decor, and this is the laundry sign. These are new. It's $5. I think really pretty. You can add into your laundry. It gives you right away the cute vibes. And in the garden aisle, they have a $2.25. This is stepping stone. I really like these mushrooms. $4.75. I think really cute addition into your planter. And in my garden, I use a lot of metal stakes, which is the birds and the ducks. I really love this bird. I have already this bird in blue, so I'm going to show you how I use it in my garden. And but I'm not a big fan of having too many little items, because I think it looks clutter. But they have a really nice selection in the solar lights. I have these ones, $4.25, because it have a little flickery effect. It looks really nice. It looks like a flame inside it, and at the night it looks really nice. Very nice ambience. So far, if you like the video, please consider to do subscribe and like and share, because I'm keep updating you with my upgrading if I do some DIYs in my home. So this is the fishing aisle. I really saw the first time, because honestly we are not a fishing person, but they have amazing stuff in the fishing aisle, and I think it's pretty cheap for $5 to $3. And the warm bait I see, it's like $2.25. So really cute stuff. If you just want to try fishing, I think this is the good place to start with. Not too much money to put on that. And this is the cute BBA free bottles. I really like this flamingo and the pineapple ones, $2. I think really nice price. Every season when the summer begin, they have a really nice plates for the outdoors. You can also use indoor. I bought last year for my garden in the blueprint. It was a blue, and this is I think the yellow lemons are pretty trendy. Oh my god.